straight from Akosombo. In this Easter, I'm here in Akosombo for 2 days. So Akosombo is a very nice place here for picnic. It's a really scenery area. Whenever you are getting time, do come here to relax for 1 or 2 days. Let's come back. This is Dr. Raju from SIMT College, and we are doing programming in C++. Last video we have done for loop control statement, and now today these sessions or this video I'm going to be demonstrate the another control loop of while a loop. So let's go. I'm going to start the C++ program, opening a new window, and then I'm going to be save this program as a while loop. So let me save this one as a while loop.cpp. Give the name of the program in such a way next time when you're opening the program, you know that this program is for some target, some task. Okay, so let's start. Before I'm going to be writing a program, let me introduce the syntax of the while loop. So while loop is something like writing a statement of while, and then bracket you're writing the condition. Okay, it's not separate from like a main, but it's your last for loop is quite simple and quite similar to the for loop. And then here we are going to be initialize something like integer start equal to 1. Okay, and here conditions, what we are going to use it something like start less than equal to 10. So you can see here what are the conditions we are using as last example what we have seen here, and I'm just going to be cout /n hello message. Okay, then get ch, and then here clr scr clear screen. So now you can see here, sorry, let me just do this one after main. So here I'm writing the get ch, I didn't started the main loop, so let me start main loop, and then opening bracket of the main loop, closing bracket. This is a simple program of while loop which is displaying 10 times hello message, and then I'm going to be include some hash file, include conio.h, and then hash include iostream.h. Okay, so let's see how actually the while is working itself. So you know that when we are going to use the for loop, we were using the 3 parameters. One is start, one is end like conditions, and one is increment and decrement operator, increment operator, start plus plus. So in the while loop is the same 3 we are using it, the locations are only changed. While loop is working based on the locations of the parameters. So when you are going to be start the main function, the while loop is only carrying the conditions, but before conditions, before while start, actual initialization of the data should be there. So the variable what you are going to check it here, that should be initialized in the beginning. So I initialize here integer start equal to 1, and then in the conditions we have declared like start less than equal to 10, and then in the block like for loop block, same block, we have to write your all the statements. Now before going to close this bracket of while loop, you have to increment the particular parameter. So in the for loop we use the 3 parameters like this one. The for loop, let me just again brush up for you. We wrote like that one, start equal to 1, start less than equal to 10, and then we use it start equal to 1 semicolon, start equal to 10, semicolon, and then start plus plus. This was the particular program, and then we use some opening and closing bracket, something like this, and then we wrote all the statement here. So now you can see here the start one is in this one for loop is locating here in the initializations before while loop, and then condition was checked by the while loop. These conditions in the for loop, while is using in the bracket, okay, the conditions. So it is carrying with the while, and the start one, start plus plus one increment operator we use in the block before going to finish the block. The last statement of the block of while is an increment operator. So now if you go and see this particular one, let me just put the comment here. So this line or this onwards, the comment line is not considered as a program line. So right now this program is a similar like the for loop what we wrote last time, and it is displaying the 10 times hello message. Okay, so let's work out. You can see here hello has been printed 10 times. Okay, so if you are using the clear screen here, you can use the clear screen. That will be going to be help out to you. Clear screen, it is going to be help to clean the screen. So this is the what hello message has been done. So how it is working, it is coming here, it is going to initialize the start value. After the start value is 1 initialized, it comes in the while loop, and while is going to check the conditions whether start 1 less than equal to 10, and the value was 1 less than equal to 10 is a true. The moment you say true, it comes in the block like for loop, and then it execute this statement first, and the last statement is what before you are leaving the while block is a start plus plus. So last value was 1, and again it will increment by 1. Start plus plus is as good as start equal to start plus 1. Then this will be coming back again to the condition, and this condition again it checked. If it's true, again come, again print, again increment, again do. This one is going to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. The moment the value 10 comes is true, again come, start value will be increased by 1 is 11, coming back here, and then 11 less than equal to 10 is false. The moment it false, it comes out from the particular block of the while, and it going to the last line of the main, that is get ch, and the program will finish. So this is the similar like a for. So what is the difference between the while and the for? The functionality is the same, but sometimes some situations we need while, and in some cases what we need the for loop. So those situations when the programmers are writing the code, they choose which one is right now feasible in that particular time. But you should have all these controls in your hand to write any control at any time. Okay, so as programming going on, I'll be take some of the examples in the future in next videos, that you can see where we are using the while, where we are using the for loop control statements. So now this program I can be used for like what 3 different to create programs. Last times what we have seen, we executed the particular same program for printing the value of start, and then multiplication table. So same I can do it here again. So I'm just doing it the same statements here out. If I use something like here some space, and I'm giving some space, and then here I'm printing the value of start is a memory location. Start is a particular memory location, so we are holding the values each time the value changing. Start equal to 1 in the beginning, and it is going to increment all the time in the loop. So all the values it will be coming inside that particular one. So let's see. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is the same answers what you have seen in the for loop. Same values I can be multiply this one, and we can create a particular multiplication table. Suppose I multiply by here 5, I can be see the multiplication table of 5. You can see here this is a multiplication table of 5. So it means what, there is not much more differences between the for and the while, as they are need the 3 parameters: initialization value, conditions, and then increment. Same value is going to do it. Now in this example again I'm going to introduce some another example. What like increment, I can also decrement the values. What we are going to see here from 1 to 10, if I use here like only start and I run the program, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If I want to print the reverse way, like what descending order, 10 should be first, and the 1 should be last. So where I have to change it? There are two things what I have to change it. I have to change the conditions. Your starting value will be what? It's not 1 now, it is 10. So I have to change the 10 here. Am I right? So it means what? Your starting value should be 10, and you have to reduce the values up to where? Is not less than equal to 1. It will be greater than equal to 1. Means the condition should be true. Are you getting me? Greater than equal to 1. What do you mean by this one right now? Till the particular start value is greater than 1, do it, or equal to. It means the beginning the value is 10, is greater than 1 is true, 9 is greater than 1 true, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1 is true, and when the value is 0, it is false and it come out. So here I change the conditions now. Instead of less than equal to, I use the greater than equal to, because now I am doing the reverse way, and because I am now not incrementing the value, I am decrementing the value. So I have to use minus minus, start minus minus. So that will be what? Reduce the values from 10 to 9, 9 to 8, like that one. So when you're running this program, you will be see the output of the program is starting from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you understand? So it's something like what conditions you are using it in the while loop, the same conditions what we are going to be use it. So this is what something like while loop what we have to work out. We have to write the program. Whenever we need it, any control statement with the while loop, we can also use it. With the help of for loop, we can also do the program. So this is the what information for you for today. Next video I'll be again come back with some different programs with the different statements and different loops. Till then, take care, and if you like this video, please do subscribe.